Hello guys, in this video we will be showing you a tutorial on how to create an Ethernet patch cable. We will be creating T568A. Firstly, the items we will use are 1 Cat6 cable, 1 cable stripper, 2 RJ45 connector, 1 cable tester and 1 crimping tool. Step 1. Unroll the cable and measure the length of cable that we need. Step 2. Strip the outer jacket off by using cable stripper or scissor. Step 3. Cut off the white partition and the thread beside the wires. Then we repeat the step above on the other side of the cable.
Step 4. Untwist and separate all the wires. Step 5. Arrange the wires based on T568A. Then straighten all the wires. Step 6. Cut off the extra wires.
Step 7. Push the remaining wires into RJ45 connector's head. Step 8. Double check the wires are all the way up into the gold pins with proper order. Step 9. Put the RJ45 connector's head into crimping tools and crimp it until heard a sound tick. Then put it lightly and make sure the wires do not run out.
Repeat step 4 till step 9 on the other side of the cable. step can test the cable with the cable tester and see the result. Make sure the same number light up at the same time.
That's all for our video. Thanks for watching.